12th. It is Thursday. Happy Thursday. Hopefully everyone's feeling well. Take a little disclosure. You know the drill. My name is Scott Redler. I am the Chief Strategic Officer of T3Live.com. Sorry today's morning call is a little late. We had our Christmas party last night, or our holiday party, because there's a lot of holidays, not just Christmas. So hopefully everyone is having a little fun with whatever they actually celebrate. I think a lot of people were pretty happy last night. Good trading year. People are following their rules, and love to see the gratitude in the room. You know, especially even for the things that I do for the community. So it's always good to see. It's fun. Anyway, so with that being said, market looked a little vulnerable going into the CPI, and then the CPI was like in line with a little bit of a lighter feel. So markets kind of applauded that, and markets have been in a strong trend, and it was bought again. So now we'll see what happens with the PPI. The PPI is in 3 minutes as of right now. The SPYs are what are the SPYs doing? The SPYs were down $1. The SPYs are down 80 cents. So we'll see what the PPI does to it. What are the TLTs doing? Somebody asked me, because that's what people are kind of looking at. What rates are doing. The TLTs are down 50 cents. So we'll see if anything changes, you know, with the PPI in 3 minutes. IWM is not doing great. You know, if you take a real step back, you know, and you zoom out a little bit, it's still fine. From 244, it's still above the 21-day. It's just not where the action's been. So don't over focus there. The action's been in Mag 7. The action's been in crypto, and that's where we've been trying to live. You know, if you go through the setups here, they're all different. You know, Apple was unbelievable for so many through 230, 237, and now you have a red dog reversal sell here. So hopefully if you were still in it, I wasn't in it yesterday, you got out of it into strength. And now it seems like, you know, maybe it continues below 246.20 if you're looking for a cute short, which I'm not going to do. You know, maybe it goes below that and then sees a move to 244.50. I'd rather be a buyer, 244.50, $5 off the highs, than looking for a cute short. It's up to you guys. Meta, I got out of also. Some people got out yesterday into strength. It hit 638. This morning it's down a little bit. I would think 625-ish could be viable. So I'm not in Meta. I might take a look at it versus a low. I don't even know if it gets there, but it might. You know, if you look at Meta right now, Meta is down 320 at 629. I would think 625-ish, 626-ish, you know, from 638-ish. These things aren't pulling back that much until they do. So just be careful. I've been trying to, you know, be careful, not buy things too fast, but, you know, they're not giving you that much time. Same thing with Amazon. I thought I'd be able to buy Amazon lower, okay, and it didn't happen. You know, all of a sudden Amazon, you know, put a low in at 224, didn't even see the 8-day, and went up to 231.20. So these dips have been very, very shallow, and you know, once you get out, it's hard to get back in. You know, it's just that's the way it is. So you might as well maybe be in less and trade around it so you stay engaged. That's what's been going on with me with Tesla. Tesla's been awesome because I've been staying engaged. Like, it goes against me, and I'm not so worried. It keeps me engaged. I buy more, I add to it, and let's see. All right, PPI is out right now. Consensus. SPYs still down 80 cents. TLT down 40 cents. Nothing really going on here with the IWM. Not much going on, you know. Bitcoin was down 40, 50 cents. I bought some more this morning, so that was good. Claims are coming out right now too. Here's the alpha team talking. Let's see. Post the PPI, please. Anybody? Seems like I hear we have a news guy talking, so I hear it sounds like it's in line. Here we go. US PPI ex food and energy 3.4. Oh, so looks like the headline is hotter. With core inflation. Right. Let's see. And any. Some news out on NNE. I'm not trading pre-market right now. I got too much stuff to do. It's a little hotter. Let's continue here. Right now, SPYs are coming a little bit. The only thing I have sold for a hedge is some 608 calls, which wouldn't be so bad to keep. Everything else is up or down small. SPYs, 120, TLTs. Coming in a little bit here, so we'll see. All right, so Tesla, we'll see what goes on there too. What's Tesla doing? Tesla was just up a buck and change. It's probably off a little bit. It's down 17 cents. 424.88 is the high. We have a lot of different ways to buy Tesla, and probably today's not the day to buy if you haven't been in it. Just saying. But it doesn't mean it's an easy short either. Um, I showed you Amazon. I showed you Meta. I showed you Apple. There's Tesla. Semis seem a little bit better. You know, every time it looks like we're about to fall off a cliff, they save it. So we'll see what happens here today. They're down a little bit. As long as it holds this 237, 238 area, you can't get too bearish. Nvidia kind of held where it had to yesterday, got stronger throughout the course of the day, kind of got out of the danger zone. What do I mean by the danger zone? Well, you know, it just means that, you know, this is a big support and it didn't break below, it didn't come ahead when it bounced. You know, there might be a trade with Nvidia today, actually. Nvidia was down a little bit. You know, it's down $1 after being up 4. That's something to look at that might go red to green. SPYs right now are down $1.40. Tesla's down a little bit, so we'll see what goes on there. I think this arm is kind of set up. You know, nice candle yesterday. Took back the moving averages, is down a little bit. So that might be something that I haven't traded in a while that I might buy to go red to green if the semis want to have a good day. Looks like arms in play. Avago's after the close. You know, Avago gets, you know, this is the big pivot area for above today, but it's, you know, earnings. I have no interest in spending 5 to 10 grand on an option play. If I miss this, I miss this. It's not a problem. It's not a focus. What's been a focus? Bitcoin's been a focus. Mister's been a focus. Mister gave us a red dog reversal the other day. You know, when it reclaimed 363. Okay, and then wound up seeing a high of 412-ish. Not so bad. Nice red dog reversal. I'm still in small. You know, I told you guys on Monday that there's talk it'll be in the NASDAQ 100. It's been a good thing to sell some puts and try and play to the long side. I also bought a little wolf yesterday, you know, in the lower end of the range. Kind of shitty stock, to be honest, but I figured something to do. And so far I bought it under 7, and now it's 730, 740. Bitcoin did that red dog reversal around this pivot, which I thought was important, 54.63. That's where I added. And yesterday I had a nice day. I did buy a little bit before, down 40 cents. I sold a little bit of that up 10 cents. I'm still managing it. I do think at some point it's going to, you know, make new highs. We'll see when. And then I have a bunch of like January effect type stocks and that aren't really day trades and might not, you know, might not be, you know, the exact right time, but I'm okay to do it for the January effect. One of them is CELH. It actually got upgraded this morning. We'll see if that happens. So these are like my, you know, these are my January effect names: BlackBerry, Lucid, Neo, Open, Oxy, and Val. So these are the ones that I'm buying some options for January 17, which doesn't look like it yet, but you know, I have enough wherewithal that I could do a little bit like that. Not too much, where, you know, if it doesn't work in December, I don't want it to take away from my quarter in December, but enough where we'll see. I also, FXI was up a little bit this morning, and then now it's not. I'm not sure, you know, what's next here, but I was buying the FXI, the CHAU, the Tiger into here, and I sold over half into this big move, so I'm accumulating back here a little bit. You would think they're trying to stabilize things, but anyway, we'll see how it goes. At this point, it looks like we're selling off a little bit more. SPYs are down 166. TLTs are down 40 cents. So rates aren't moving much. Nvidia's off. Tesla's now off. So we'll you know, hopefully, you know, we'll see what goes on here today. All right, guys. Good luck. Little erratic. So